I want to dedicate this song for every one of you in this hall tonight, this dance hall. You all know about my new album called True Love, right? It's going to be on the V2 label. And there's a young singer, female singer. Her name is Rachel. She did do it with me. I want to invite her on stage. Ladies and gentlemen, Rachel. You've been doing all that you do and say all that you want to say, and you're putting all the blame on me.
Everything I tried to do, throughout all you made it so hard for me, and you're putting all the blame on me.
Cause you put the blame on me. Oh baby, tell me how you do me good. And you put the blame on me.
Through all times like sorrow, through heartache and pain, I'll always be there for you.
Say you love me, know you wanna break my heart in two, 'cause you want to put the blame on me.
You were so good before. Tell me what came into your mind.
Why you wanna put the blame on me?
Tell me,
Tell them how you do me good. 'Cause you want to put the blame on me. I really love you, but you wanna hurt me. I wanna know why when you told me.
say I wanna light my fire. Gonna give me your desire.
Don't forget those words, no. This is not my kind of thing. It's just like a money dream. Tell me why you wanna put the blame on me, baby.
If your love can be true, and I don't know what we're gonna do. No, you wanna put the blame on me.
Come baby, tell
Tell
them how you do me good. And you wanna put the blame on me. No, baby, so tell them how you do me good. And you wanna put the blame on me. If you love for me, tell me, baby, why did you want your love to dedicated to every one of you, every time. It's so good to be here, to sing for you, and to groove with you. 1, 2, 1, 2, 10, 12. this song for every one of you here. If anyone have a good voice, you all have a good voice. I can hear it. And you come on, want to sing this song with me, you can do it. This song, it goes like this. Almost, 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 I'm singing about Kingston, Jamaica, where reggae come from. And wicked, and I'm just through his mountains, shining down the river. And every one of you here, over there, everywhere, those of you who know me from a long time, you are just looking, you are just looking at my handsome face and wondering if I ever get older. They say that I'm looking more younger than you roll, take it home, sort of place. I'm in love, let's make love. Oh, my, take me home, don't you know? I hear a voice in the morning as she calls me. It's you remind me of my home. Teardrops from my eyes, don't you know?